on my boat, working on my boat. I pray to the patron saint of do-it-yourself. Every Nigel Calder book is sitting on my shelf. I got my roll of duct tape, my WD-40. There ain't nothing I can't fix, just lay it out before me. Working, working, work from sun to sun. Working, working, mix epoxy 5 to 1. I am working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat. Hose burn on my arm, grease smeared on my face, wrapped around my engine in 2 square feet of space. I ignored that golden rule and there's no way to excuse it. That golden rule of boat repair, if it ain't broke, don't use it. I am working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat. She is my salvation, she's also an old bitch. With every penny spent on her, yeah, I could have been rich. Time and money thrown away, well there's some say I didn't have. Oh, but look at her, just look at her, okay, I got it bad. Working, working, see how she does shine. Working, working, she's mine, all mine, all mine. I am working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat, working on my boat. Screwed it up the first time, I had to fix it twice. Cost me about 4 times the estimated price. And if it's not quite right, well, there's nothing much to fear, 'cause I'll get the chance to do it all again next year. I am working on my boat, 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 working, working, working on my boat.
Winking, blinking, not one night, sailed off in a wooden shoe, off on a river of crystal light, into a sea of dew. Oh, where are you going and what do you wish? The old moon asked the 3. We're going fishing for the herring fish that live in the beautiful sea. Nets of silver and gold have we, said wink and blink and nod. All night long their nets they threw to the stars in the twinkling foam. Then down from the skies came the wooden shoe, bringing the fishermen home. 'Twas all so pretty a sight to see, as if it could not be. And some folks thought it a dream they dreamed, sailing the beautiful sea. But I will name you the fishermen 3, wink and blink and nod. Winking and blinking our 2 little eyes.
that is a little head, and the wooden shoe that sailed the skies is the wee one's trundle bed. So shut your eyes while mother sings of the wonderful sights that be, and you shall see all the beautiful things as you rock in the misty sea, where the old shoe rocked the fishermen three, wink and blink and nod.
He says, come on, mother, our children are grown. It's time we were living the life of our own. And she knows with that boat, he's like a dog with a bone. She looks at the sea, and her heart sinks like a stone. Life is a compromise, love's not a test. Don't ask your love to choose what he loves best. She's a little unsure, but willing to try. Now she's packing her memories away with a sigh, and they're casting off dark lines, waving goodbye. He tries not to notice the tear in her eye. Life is a compromise, love's not a test. Don't ask your love to choose what he loves best. Now they're sailing on slowly from place to place. He loves the sea and the wide open space, and he's thinking he's lucky he checked out of the race. She's thinking her grandchildren won't know her face. Life is a compromise, love's not a test. Don't ask your love to choose what he loves best. Now they've been out 3 years when he says to her, I'm having the time